Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi and I'm from UP, and guys, today I'm going to talk about the how to improve English fluency. Yes guys, I am already started working on my English fluency and I'm working on my English fluency and I'm also sharing the one of the most effective method to improve English fluency. So yes, in this video you will learn how to improve English fluency. And what does fluency means? Fluency is doesn't mean into speaking so faster. Fluency means to speaking in a flow conversation, to speaking in a balanced conversation. Okay, so for example, if you are talking to someone, okay, and in that conversation should be in a flow, in a balanced conversation. In the conversation there not should be much gap in between, or in between the conversation while talking to the person you don't feel yourself stuck or thinking about something. So if you can do English speaking conversation in a flow, in a balanced way, that means your fluency is good. Okay, so now if your fluency is not good, then this method will going to help you to improve your English fluency. So first of all, if I explain how this method will work, watch this and I will explain you how this method work. And now I will read a book, which is this book, and I will do 3 reading of this book. Means I will read one paragraph thrice and you will see the difference in all 3 readings. Okay, and then I will explain you how this method works. Okay, so you can see this is what I am reading. It's okay if you are ambitious. I was always very ambitious as a child. I wanted to be the best in whatever I did. I was not sure about what I wanted to do in life, but all I knew was that I wanted to do something so unique that I could feel proud of myself. I wanted to carve a niche for myself in society, and also I tried to bring about positive changes in society from that platform. Till date, despite traversing a long way, I have lost none of my ambitious spirit, and perhaps it is this very spirit that keeps motivating me to do something special and remarkable in life. So this is the first reading, and you will see the difference in the second reading. In the second reading, you have to understand what is written in the paragraph. Okay. I was always very ambitious as a child. I wanted to be the best in whatever I did. I was not sure about what I wanted to do in life, but all I knew was that I wanted to do something so unique that I could feel proud of myself. I wanted to carve a niche for myself in society, and also try to bring about positive changes in society from that platform. Till date, despite traversing a long way, I have lost none of my ambitious spirit, and perhaps it is this very spirit that keeps motivating me to do something special and remarkable in life. And then you will read same paragraph third time. You have to read that with understanding and with the full of your speed, as you can speak in your mother tongue. I was always very ambitious as a child. I wanted to be the best in whatever I did. I was not sure about what I wanted to do in life, but all I knew was that I wanted to do something so unique that I could feel proud of myself. I wanted to carve a niche for myself and society, and also try to bring about positive changes in society from that platform. Till date, despite traversing a long way, I have lost none of my ambitious spirit. And perhaps it is this very spirit that keeps motivating me to do something special and remarkable in life. And now you have seen the difference in all 3 readings. Okay. Now, how is this method works to improve English fluency? Okay, so when I done my first reading in the book, so what I have focused on, okay, when I'm reading for the first time, I have focused only on the words. like which are the words which I am reading in that one paragraph. Okay, and in the second time when I read the same paragraph, I focused only on understanding, like what that paragraph talking about, what is the story in that paragraph, what is the event in that paragraph which is talking about. So I'm understanding what is written in the paragraph. Focus only on one thing. In the first paragraph you have to focus only on the word, which are the word you are reading. In the second reading, you focus only on understanding what is written in the paragraph. Okay, and in the third reading, you have to read with understanding and with your full of speed as you can speak in your mother tongue. Okay, so this is the difference in all three the reading of the same paragraph. Now, how reading will help you to improve your English fluency? Okay, so reading, if I tell about the reading have so many benefits of the reading, but one of the benefits is it helps to improve English fluency. Whenever you read anything, I will say it will be anything, any English book, any newspaper, anything, whatever you have, just read it. But for the first time when you read, just follow those things which I have told you in this video. It's really going to help you. Okay, and yes, this method I am personally using to improve my English fluency, and it's really helping me to improve my English fluency and speak in a good conversation. So it's very effective method. You will see the changes in your English fluency. You will see the improvement in your English fluency. So I will say, hey, apply this in your English fluency improvement. It's really gonna help you. Okay, so now I am telling how you will get the benefit of all these three reading. Read same paragraph 3 times. First time focus only on words, which word you are reading, and is read it with full of your speed as you can speed, it will depend on the people how it's your speed of speaking or reading, but you have to speak in your full speed. Okay, for the first time, and focus only on words. When you read for the second time, just understand what is written in the paragraph, what is that paragraph talking about, what is the story in that paragraph, and just focus only one thing at a time. It will really help you. And in the second time, it will be slower to your reading speed because you are reading with understanding. So focus on understanding. It doesn't matter how will be your speed, but you have to understand in that speed you have to read the same paragraph. And when you will read for the third time, then read that paragraph with understanding as well as with your speed as you speak in your mother tongue. Okay, that speed is really matter to improve English fluency. But read with understanding, with full of your speed. And when you do this activity twice, thrice, 4 times, 10 times, and you will start seeing improvement in your English fluency. Whenever you speak, you will see the clarity in your conversation. Whenever you speak, you will see the flow of your speaking. Whenever you're going to speak, you do the conversation, you will see how good you are speaking. And that's honestly true, which is I'm sharing because I'm already doing this, and I have seen all these changes in my English, so that is why I'm sharing with my own experience. Everything I'm sharing here with my own experience. First, I have already done that, and I have seen what is the improvement I am getting, what is the benefits I am getting from all of these methods, all of these activities, how it is helping me to improve my English, and the same experience I am sharing with you. And these methods are 100% working. If you focus on this, it will really going to help you, honestly. So if you really want to improve your English fluency, then use this and it's really going to help you. And if I give a normal example of this, whenever you read, you will also see in your own self, like how clearly you can read, how clearly you can pronounce it while reading. Your understanding also improve while reading. So reading has so many benefits, but it also helps to improve English fluency. And there is another method also to improve English fluency, which is called shadowing practice. If you are watching any English video, first you listen and just repeat after listening. So this method you can also use. And about the shadowing practice, I have told in my previous video. You can see the detailed video on my channel. In this English fluency series, you will see that video. If you wanted to see, you can see that. So you have to find out which is the best method for you, which help you to improve your English fluency. Okay, so if I say there are so many methods to improve English fluency, to improve English speaking, but you have to figure out which method best for you, like which method is familiar with you, which helping you to improve your English fluency. You have to figure it out and just follow that methods for few days, for few months. I will say, if you want, if you're really serious to improve English fluency, just follow for one thing for 1 month and see the difference, because everything takes time to see the improvement. And I'm personally using this method and it's really worked. And I wanted to tell all of my subscribers, all of my viewers which watch me, to do a comment in this video if you are going to use this method or if you are not going to use this method, and which method is best for you, which you are going to use to improve your English fluency. Just tell me in the comment box, so I will understand like which method is working for you best. Okay, so everybody going to do a comment in below. In this video, I want comment from all of you people, all my subscribers and all of my viewers which watch me. So do the comment for me, at least one comment from all of you. So this for today. I will meet you in the another video. For till then, keep learning and take care.